So, what are you doing? Go ahead. So, how old are you?
5.
And what are you doing?
Cutting the pipe.
Yep. Okay. Careful not to bend the pipe, okay? Just hold it. Okay, let the water drip out. Let the water drip out. No, no, no. Leave it. Leave it. Don't make it loose. Leave it. Right there. Just let the water drip out.
Okay.
Because there's a little bit of water from the... That's it. Okay, now finish cutting, but don't forget to hold your pipe and don't let it drop. Don't let the cutter or the pipe drop. Very good. Okay. Strain out the pipe. Okay, now let me have the cutter and the pipe. And the cutter. Let me have the cutter. Okay.
How come this is very strong?
Hold on 1 second. Okay, you ready? Hold on. First you have to clean it. First you have to clean the pipe. Here. Sandpaper. Clean the pipe. Yep. There you go, like that. Yep, you're doing good. There you go. No, 2 handies. Right, 1 hand on each side. Hold on, let me show you how. Hold on. Like this. Like this. And you have to measure all around. Top, bottom, okay? All around. Go ahead, stand it good. Put a little bit of pressure so that it sounds good. There you go.
Happy.
Yep.
Do we have to solder the pipe?
Nope, this one doesn't need to be soldered. We can install it without soldering the tub, the spout.
What?
I'll show you the spout, how it goes on. Just clean the pipe good. Clean the bottom also. Turn it the other way, clean the bottom. Right? There you go, do it. Very good. Okay, let me check and make sure that it's good. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, looks good.
Happy.
Hold on.
What do we have to solder?
No, we don't have to. Hold on, I'll show you.
Are we going to work on another pipe?
Yeah, you ready? Okay. Now the tub, the pipe is nice and clean. See there's a little black ring in there? That's rubber. That's how it makes the seal.
What's this?
See, look inside. You see inside the hole? There's rubber?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you're going to slide it very carefully over the pipe. Carefully, carefully, and nice and straight. Straight and slow. Slow, don't turn, slow. Slow, there you go. There you go, get it all the way on. Okay, it's all the way on? Very good. Okay, now, hold on, you have to tighten it. What's this called? You know what this is called? It's called an Allen key. Okay, now on the bottom, through that little hole, you see the Allen key, the hole?
Yeah.
Okay, don't hang on this. Very good. Okay. Tighten it. Same like you tighten a screw with a screwdriver. Yep, you got it. It's tight all the way? Okay, we don't want to make it too tight. We don't want to strip it. Let me just make sure it looks straight. Looks straight to you? Looks pretty straight, right? Okay, hold on. Let me, hold on one second, let me just feel it. Don't push on the spout. Don't push on the spout. Hold on. Don't push. Don't push. Hold on. Yeah, 1 second, hold on. We're going to have to check it to make sure it works. It is tight. Now we have to check it. The spout is on the wall. Hold on. First come out. We have to check to make sure you did a good job. Okay. Now, turn on the water. Turn on the water. You know how to turn it on? The water. Yep, turn it on. Okay, is it coming out?
When the bath is going, the shower.
It's okay. Go, open it up. Give it a second.
And then it's like to get all the water out.
Keep it down. Okay, looks good. Working?
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah.
How do you know if it's working? Let's pull up the button and make sure the shower goes on. Let go. Is it working?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make sure we don't have any leaks in the back. Come. Come.
Can I turn it off?
Now leave it running and let's check and make sure it's not leaking in the back.
So we have to open up the closet.
Yep, it'll be through the closet.
Open this closet.
Oh.
I see they have the Allen.
1 second. Is any water on the floor?
No. They have them.
No. Let's check and make sure no water's coming out around the spout. Any water coming out over here? No, looks all dry. No, don't loosen it. So, I have to ask you a question. How does it feel to have installed your first tub spout? You could shut the water, yeah. Hey, how does it feel at age 5 to install your first tub spout? Tell me. Hey, come on. I asked you a question. How does it feel to install your first tub spout? You did it all by yourself. Huh? Feels good? Okay, see you later. There you have it. Yisrael, my 5-year-old, installing his first tub spout in the shower.
The lady came back and
Good job. Say bye.
bye.